girl Saina, aka Say, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, I will be giving you this nice natural look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're going to start our back to school makeup look. So you see how my face look crazy right now? Not be empty. Some people like to go to school with makeup on. I was never a person that wore makeup when I was in high school because I used to think that girls that did their makeup thought they was the shit, or girls that did their makeup was not confident in themselves, or you know, I used to think so much things. But here I am wearing makeup now 10 years later. But guys, let's just get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. So for you oily skin girls, when you're going to school, you need to put on a matte primer. So you could be matte all day, and when you're in gym or when you so your makeup don't have to like mess up while you at school. Cause I know when you have a long day, your makeup be like slipping, sliding, greasy, and you're gonna have to keep blotting in so much things. So make sure you prime really good. So once your face is all nice and primed, I go on my FARSALI Skin to Blur. This is how it looks. And this, it not only keeps me matte, but it blurs my pores and everything. So makes everything look nice and seamlessly. So I have to put this on with after every primer. I have to put this on. Okay, so now that that's all done, now we're gonna go in with foundation. So the foundation that I'm going in with is the Urban Decay All Nighter in the color 80W0. That's how it looks. Remember last time I told you about this foundation, it's like a orange consistency, but for some reason I still like this. I don't know, I still like it, I still use it. I haven't went back to change it. Mind you, we going to school here, we need a brush, so I can't be using all the brushes I be using. So my face looking like this, nice, matte, feels good, looks good, you know. Now we're gonna go into, wait, I didn't even put nothing on my lips. My lips look mad chopped. Like, let me go in with my Laneige lip sleeping mask. You know your lips gotta be moisturized before you go to school, cause I'm like, look, her face be, but her lips choppy, her lipstick looking, like, you know, you gotta make sure you moisturize them lips. Make sure them lips looking nice and juicy. Alright, so now that's all done. Why it looks dark in here? Outside's gloomy. Let me put on my ring light. Hold on one second. Ooh, much better, huh? Much better. Much better. Everything looks good. I'm just going in, making sure for a second time everything is all good. So once that's all done, I go on concealer. So today I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the color 70NY. Go take that, put it in there. That's how my face is looking right now. Then I go and blend it out, cause you know, no time to be letting it sit there. Now that that's all blended out, looks good. Got a little bubble in my eye. Shouldn't be having that there. No, no, no. So now that that's all done, now I'm going to go and bake a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder and banana. I'm starting to love this a lot. I feel like I had a smell, but I don't know. I don't smell it no more. Guys, we're not baking because we gotta go to class. We don't want to be late to school, so put some there. Put the rest on the back of my hand. So the rest from the back of my hand is the one I'm using. Put some there. Once that's done like that, I'll leave it like that for a little bit. Let it sit. Get my little brush. And I start contouring my nose. So I don't want a harsh contour because I'm going to school. It's not like I'm going out or anything. So I just go in with this middle shade right here. Oh, did I tell you this is the ABH contour kit? Medium to deep. Now I'm going to go in. Same shade. Going with this brush right here. I'm doing a light one. Going in with 2 shades. So now that that's all done, I'm going to go in with the empty brush with nothing on it. Get my MAC Skin Finish in the color Dark. Go in there and then just like clean everything out, buff everything out. Once that's all done, I'm going to go in and spray my face up. Pull out my handy dandy fan. And now I'm going to use my bottom of my beauty blender and blend everything out. Make sure everything is nice and seamless. So now everything's looking like this. It's looking good, but I didn't do my brows. So let me just go in, clean my brows up. Then I go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have the little version and it's been doing me justice for a long time. Once that's all done, face looking nice, face looking beat, I go in with my mascara. I'm going in with my Damn Girl mascara. Guys, so this is the final beat right here. So, I mean, if you want to wear lashes to school, be my guest. I'm going to let y'all know. So, in Ulta, they have, like, lashes there. And people always ask me, like, what kind of lashes you wear. I've been wearing Ulta lashes this whole time. And, guys, as y'all can see, I didn't put no highlight on because you don't need to be going to school putting highlight on. But it's everybody's personal preference. If you want to put some highlight as well, you can do that. But my lashes, I always get them from Ulta because if you go on the Ulta website, you will see that you just put in Ulta.com. You always see that they have a coupon. So they have a coupon for like $3.50 off. So it was one time when it was like I believe it was like they had like it had like mascara day or lash day or whatever the case may be. They had like literally like 30% off, 40% off all lashes. So I'm like, what? Okay. These lashes that I always get from Kiss Lashes are like $6. So with the 30% off, it went down to $4.30 something. So I got like what, 5 or 6 of them. I got this one and I got the Vegas what is this? EYELURE times Jasmine, and I got the Vegas nail lashes too. I literally got all of them, wrapped it up. So once I got to like $15, I bought them. Then I went purchased another order separately, so I can be using that $3.50 off. And I got the lashes for like, I could say I got the lashes for like $2 something each. So guys, always make sure you go to Ulta.com, see them coupons, and use it when you go in there. And you'll get these lashes. If it's $6, then you'll get it for like what? If you buy like 3 or 4 of them, you're actually saving. So just do that. So guys, this is the final look. Let me put some, since I'm not going to school, I'm just going to put some highlight on. But if I was going to school, I probably wouldn't. So I think I'm going to be using the, no, I'm not going to use this. Let me just go back to my, I'm going to go in with the, it's my EYELURE BH Cosmetics. I always go for this, this toast color right here. French toast. So nice highlight. Oh, you could actually wear this to school because it's like a settle highlight, you know? It's a settle highlight. So you could probably wear this to school if you wanted to. It's not, you know, it's not too, I mean, I just put too much, but it's not too much to take to school. That's how it look. That's how it look. Guys, how y'all like this look? Is it cute? Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.